Hello, and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. This particular episode is going to be a little bit different than my other 550 so videos. I'd like to thank all of the people who have liked my immigration Facebook page, which ultimately goes to helping disperse information, helping people with their immigration problems, opening up the avenues and the channels for being able to essentially help people who are in deportation proceedings, who have been deported, and so forth. It's not quite there, but probably within the next week it'll reach 100,000 Facebook likes, and those are 100,000 people who are on my particular list, so that every time I post an immigration update, every time I post a new article, or every time I post a new instructional video, they will be the first in which to see it. I know and I'm happy that I've been able to help over the last 22 years or so thousands of people and families to get their loved ones back who have been deported, to keep them here, to go and successfully put through all kinds of non-immigrant visas, such as the H-1B for people who have college degrees, for O-1s, people with extraordinary ability, E-2s, investment visas, E-1s, Schrader visas. I've helped people do perms and labor certifications for the green card when they have an employer willing to petition them, whether they're in or out of the country. I've done tons of different kinds of waivers for people who otherwise would be inadmissible to the U.S. Waivers of fraud, waivers of crime, waivers of health conditions, waivers of the 3 to 10 year bar. Done battered spouse petitions, ones that the spouse, normally the wife, has been afraid to do anything because she's afraid she'll be deported, and we put through a lot of VAWA petitions to get them their status without the help of their husbands, and without the help, without the necessity for them to live under those conditions. Lots of U visas for people who are victims of crime, in deportation proceedings, lots of cancellation of removals for lawful permanent residents, for people who are not permanent residents, all kinds of adjustments for all the different family preference petitions. It just goes on, and then we've done different governmental pardons, whether it's through the state or through the Presidential Pardoning Committee for people who have aggravated felons or other crimes that make them inadmissible. We've done lots of criminal relief for those who committed crimes a long time ago but still can't adjust their status, and lots of different kinds of asylum: political asylum, religious asylum, asylum based on social group. We've done deferred action, and then of course there's the one for kids now, DACA, and then of course we have the at least the immigration debate is on, and so I'm hopeful that along with my 100,000 Facebook likes, that a lot more come along, so that when the new, hopefully, immigration bill comes out, I will be able to give videos on it piece by piece, section by section, in a way that is understood by everybody, that is in clear and concise language. I think that's one reason that I have a lot of people who enjoy following my immigration updates, is because I don't just throw a bunch of sites in law. I put it in real English, real language, so that you understand, so that everybody is clear on it. And I know that a lot of times when you ask somebody or an attorney to explain something and it doesn't make sense, sometimes it's because the attorney themselves are not experts in the particular subject, and they can hide that within a bunch of legalese. So I do enjoy passing on the knowledge and the help, and I'm hopeful that as time goes on, that with this new immigration debate that's coming and the amendments, I mean, it's still in the Judiciary Committee, but hopefully, if all of you send your Congress people notes saying please put through the immigration bill, please vote for it, that we will get something. And it's honestly, this is the farthest we've come in about 20 years on a good comprehensive immigration reform bill. So let's put our efforts together, try to get it through, and then if you like this video, go ahead and click the like for me, and then you'll get all of my updates, and you'll see how I can help people, how I can help you, your friends, your family. It doesn't matter where you happen to be. I have clients all over the United States, and that's the nice thing about immigration law. It's federal law, which means I can and do go to courts in New York and New Jersey and Texas and Florida and California. The same as I would here where my offices are in California. I do have an international office in Makati. For those who happen to be over there, they can certainly visit and give consultation. The nice thing about both Facebook and Skype is the consultation can go forward as though I'm sitting in the next room. It doesn't matter. And then once my firm is retained, then we have a nice web portal, and as long as you have access to the internet, which pretty much everybody on the planet has access to the internet now, you are able to get updates on your case, communications with the case managers, the attorneys. You're able to see documents that have been uploaded into the system that are now available for you to view on the system. You can see communications, everything can go forward, notes and so forth. Also, you'll be able to see what documents you need, what questionnaires you need. It's really a very nice system, and that's why locality of where you are and where I am is not relevant like it used to be, 10 years ago. Seriously, you could be in China in a place that you've never been or stepped inside America, and we could prepare a case for you. So if you have questions, if you want a consultation, just go ahead and email me. It's blerner@californiaimmigration.us, and we can set up. I have specific times during the week that I do set up consultations, and we can go from there. All in all, I want to thank everybody again for following me, especially the 100,000 that have done the Facebook like and all others, and we will continue the trek of helping people and immigrants and non-immigrants and all of those who are being oppressed, who need the help of somebody to protect them, to allow them to live the American dream for them and their families. Okay, more on the coming videos.